Ki nong yalam kaseng Riboy Youth Federation sengkemir minta kesngi kalalej bania kendo sendon UUM Hok Chancellor School ba USTM naga benta ban pan jingshai hakabayade bat ke jingtho kaba ula delete hakarensan Facebook kum ka thong ke USTM bat ke ERDF ban ai jingpuli ki khna ki badan sam bat ki bamdon yeng don sam ki basham lanot nagi jingsha kendang hak sarkar Assam Kumbalong menta ke Sarkar Assam kala kendang na phangi bisa bean hakate ke jila bat kum kaseng hadian ke jingyo kate ke jingtho lami iru buntli kidang jingkeli bakumno kite ki khna basong bean kinyo ko hok bat puli puthi kat babon ki samla ha ke jila ki badan kam kimyo satya hakate ke jingnet kundu jong kaseng bat chancellor kala don ru ke jingye pin phai nia ke bajur hapdeng kino yalam kaseng bat chancellor bat ulapin syai bakade tang kejing smothu bakla jong kipat ba babun balang habakren kilat pathai khubor nakaliang uba prangsngi kela chief organizing secretary kaseng ha kejing dan lang uba bawan tipor marwen finance secretary ba aliander nongshli working president bat kiwe ulo ong bakum kaseng kasngaukhia halor kejing tho kaba chancellor ke USTM ula tho hakarin san Facebook lingba ka thong jong ka USTM bat ka ERDF ban ai jing pule yikitu kikna bat ki badan sam ki basha kendang ha ka sarkar Assam.
Green Validation is a university scheme. It is our foundation scheme that anywhere strife affected, violence affected, riots, or even in freedom fighter, their children, if we find meritorious, eligible for our institutions, we adopt them from the very beginning. And during BTAD violence also we have adopted many children in our school. That is mission for the school, not for the university. Okay. We have a university here. Am I right? This is a university.
Yeah. See.
Now listen, let me. Lunch sown for the helpless, homeless, talented children from evicted families.
That means from the outside also. Okay. So
Yeah,
why
yeah.
didn't you
I have not-
clarify the name?
The Mahila Congress Pradesh. Why
Yeah.
didn't you clarify?
Under CM, sir. Under
Yes, listen. Many people are misinterpreted. Initially, when I had given this post, everyone had appreciated.
Okay.
Then, when political statement came from Assam, then people started spreading this news. Otherwise, tell me what is negative here. This is a simple statement. Then we'll come with policy that will be adopting 10 children, we'll be adopting
Okay,
15
one thing.
children.
Then how come? See, do you know RBF? You know well about RBF. Riboy Youth Federation. Strong NGO, one who looks in the state of Meghalaya, especially in Riboy district. So we had the news that, see, you had tweet in your Twitter that everybody you will embrace. Especially we know that Assam, government of Assam almost Muslim from Bangladesh.
Without your tweet.
You have a tweet.
We have been
But,
running. Listen. We have been running educational institutions. We are not at all entitled to give the reply of many political statements. That is our simple policy. Today you have come being an NGO. I am clarifying. This is a statement, and people have
You
misinterpreted.
clarify one thing.
You have to clarify immediately.
This mission education rehabilitation.
Rehab.
Where you would establish where? Yes.
That's why I am telling. I have my school in my Karimganj only. This is for
Here in Assam?
talented children. We don't have a
Not-
school.
not here.
Not in Meghalaya.
Not in Meghalaya. Of course.
So you
Of
clarify
course.
on the part.
Ah.
What the news?
You see, so many things are happening against this university. You have seen in the
we have
past.
seen, yeah.
Have you seen I have given any reply?
No.
Why I will be giving reply of every nonsense statement? Why? Today is a different because my university is here. You are all the well-wisher of the university. So you thought that students will be coming here for study.
As usual.
Yes,
Yeah.
as you have studied.
Yeah.
But this is talented children, not talented students. This is for the school.
Okay.
Small kids. So that is for the school.
Ini nakaliang ka Riboy Youth Federation. Hadin mangili ka tu ka tweet ka mi hapo ka Twitter jong kabala viral keleng-keleng. Te ngi nakaliang jong ka Riboy Youth Federation. Ngila songkia halol ka tu ka tweet ka jong kabala mi. Te dita ka daw bangin kasi iwan hang ne banwan ban keli na ba pensisya ya ketua tweet bala tweet hang tu kat kum galapan i hapo ki social media bat baru clarify hapo ki press media bala ada sisya ni am kum tu bala ada kadai sisya kum turu nak kalian zongi ki River Youth Federation i hapo sebagai persya ya kitu baro bat ngan airu dak jingtho in official ya ka clarification jonga bat ngan pensya segi pat baru lang ba ki press ki media tengi kum kesengi la suhun ya kata bat ba ngila kongu ya ke ba nak kalian zongi ula pensya ya kata bat ba sakaway na kaliang jungi ka River Youth Federation ba nang ni sakman ba kamde kasin kemaning tong manginwan hangni mantakasngi ngindang yaiwan si yaiwan namar balay bangi i hadin ba kani ka jing kendra jong kini ki jong ka government jong ka Assam ya kini ki mendari ngiting yo kita ki mendari ke manrung hangni hapo kani ka USTM banwan song sa hangni bat ba ko jugo por bakin song ne hangni tin na kaliang jo River Youth Federation nginawan la ki si manang wanro ban nginon pek nginon kemi bat kham tamru ya kitu ki construction ki baterai na kalian juga ngi USTM ngin sawan ban kendang na ngi sawan ban pek met kemi ya ki level lesson ya ki training lesson bat kumjuru ya ki kontraktor ki bawan sabar jong ka jala ka jongi bat ha juga poru na kalian jong ka River Youth Federation nga karpat nga apil ya ki nongsok snong ki badai sa ka thain kham tami ki darbar snong ki sim ki right ba kin long ba pengor akan ki area ke baki don baki sa kum ki lokali kum ki beri lokal hangni baki long yo pek ngor khnang ban pensuk yangi kum kinong pek baki nong ya daya kari baka jai benreu bat ha ka juga poru kani kamdi tang mangi kiseng ban lele ya kata nga karpat sigi paj ba lang ba kani social media ba dei makiru mananes kemat ngin kendi benreu kalong kum ke jingkesiu tia yangi bangin long yo pek ngor bat ha ka juga por banginom sya dalilairu ba kita ki ba kendang na po Asam kinwan songne kinwan ri tengan hang ne po jala ka jongi kani kani clear message ka ba ngi ko ban appeal sigi paj ba bakam day tang mengi kisang balang man pay ta nga karpat i paj ba bakin pay lang bakin kemi lang bakin tre rangkat bat ngi kisang balang kibadon hapo kajallam kalia ban pensai paj ba lang bagan ni ka social media ka bangi keli ya u halo ketu Twitter ka jung u uang banga tweet halor ka rihab ka jung u ka badon sang tay sapo Karimganj kam day hang ni hapo jallam kalia te hang ni ha jallam kalia lay uang bangam don jimut i won dismu ban bu kata ka rihab ende kadai ka ba sasnong jong u ka ba usa si Karimganj ba don arli ki school ba umut ban le ya kita ki mission ki jong u te dalai leiro lada umut bu hang nero nginom sya horkit hordang lada umut ban bu ya kata mission jong u ka ba kumba ula kran un bu satai sapo Karimganj kene kadai clear message na kaleng jongi persya ya usar hop